chỉ bay lệ vek ule cái thai alu purun var an la ka hunta Runetea min han lak pui don ni hi kalom hle mai.
It's gonna help me out first.
Today I'm helping Amy pick tomatoes, potatoes, and onions from her garden.
Thank you, Bite. Okay, let's go.
Ni sa ema Runetea now te ho.
All right, we're gonna pick the
na thok turin kanin tramani.
Onions first. Purun kan laang.
Purun tlem te ka chinga a sen chi le avar chi ania tin garlic ka ching tel boka.
Onion ania alian chi vakanilawa chu kan han lange.
Tuna Runetea at po chwa me khi purun avar chi ania an lian vaklo bokani ate ve shim chi ni.
Oh hey. Go into Runetea nen kan han la don ani hi. We're gonna pick it all, okay, but then. Yeah, I'll hold on. Oh.
Loose ones.
Yeah, I'll hold. Yeah. We're gonna pick it all, okay, but then. Avain kan la vek ang. Just hold on the string like that, on the leaves, so they will be all together. There's one up there. Oh, those are small. Yeah, that's fine. You can take that. But they cut. Yeah, cut. Okay. Here, but they're cool. Put the cool. Cool. Put the cool bit there. All right, that's good enough. Here. Hey, onion. These are like small onions. Now we're gonna pick some more the red one on the other side. Hey, kan onion. Talay mi chut tambak lo nain. Hun shana mi kan han laleng eh. See the bucket? Put it in there. That white bucket. Oh, hey ka garlic kanya pathum vel so oma purun var kan han mange. Oh, okay. Oh, that's good. Alian vaklawa ma se.
Ka garlic te hi ke enkol thalo ma tian dong togin tui te po galo pe thalo yang tu wang chuanin an te sep khop maya kum lama chuanin.
Oh, that's bigger.
Ka thiam to tura ka in ngai boke.
Oh, that's bigger. Garlic chunya. Alian vaklo lam se kaching klem shima. Okay, we're gonna go to the red onions, but there. Yeah, just put it in there. But there. Here.
Here?
Yeah.
Hi ka purun sen ania.
Oh.
Hey po hi duangin tui ka pe thalo ni mai thei an len turangin an lian lo top maya.
That's not very big. Nakuma chuan kan thiam de hlek to ang tun ai chuan. I don't think I give enough water. That's why.
These are all really.
Yeah, they're really small.
Hey, pani khat chu alian.
Oh, that's
bigger.
Yeah.
Thai.
Oh,
that's a big one. Yeah. Chia dan tur le abulain siam dan tur kan shelawa le lama chuanin
that's bigger too, right?
Chedeu kan han le chuan chuanin.
There's one more bit there.
Anuam lo ve riau thin chang chuan
Oh, okay. Oh, hey,กับปูรุนเส้นเวทุ่งให้พอตำวักแล้วว่าบิทุมบิลีวะบากันด่าแล้วว่าเฮ้กันเอขบจูอมเวไหมเฮ้ลองอมขบไหม But then we have one more onions that we can pick.
ให้พอให้ปูรุนอันนี้อาวาซีอันนี้ปันนี้ปฐุมเวลso อะไรยันกันด่า
I don't know. We only have a few.
เฮปูรุนบอมพอให้กะโลเอ็นกอลชะโลเดียวเล็กอะดูไออัน
Bigger than the other one, right?
อันบุลชะโลนี่
Oh, okay. That's a small one too. Yeah, that's a small one, and then right there. See that the blue bin? It says Lowe's. That's the potatoes. Bring it here and dump it on the tarp here.
Bucket li.
Okay, dump it there.
Lak tur kan ne ya. Tambak lawang a hen po hi.
We're gonna throw it out after this.
Tui kan pe chalut tuk lawa.
All right.
Ni kum lampang ai chuanin a thalo mai thei ani. Ilo enang o.
Okay, and these two buckets, that one bit there, those two, yeah. Okay, one more bucket bit there.
Ni sign khwalum em a Runetea po than zoi maya. Hey, now then no am taka tuyen chen lanin ani chuan min puya kalom hle mai katir hi nial ngai lo wang hianin hei min han pui ve tang ani hi
There's more purple, right?
Hey, he purple.
They are really
potatoes
good.
And tia mel chu tui nai vak lo ma se a special ma ka voi khat chin na ania atui lo kan sha thwa yang chu
Show me that. Oh, lian lut tuk bit te kha. Oh, kha po kha lian tro bit te alian lut tuk.
Bucket khata hian achi pathum zel ka chinga hei athani chu an lian vak lowa an la lian zel thei hmela mai ro chu kan ala to mai ni hi tu na chuan
small.
Tuna alu kan la le na tur hi ka
raised bed.
Wan chu mi nia heta hianin pum tin alu ka chinga helai mun hi chu te min ke en kol thadewa tin alu
Might be
po
better to dig it.
mun dang ai chuan thak len le lep
splitting it.
ani
Looks like a big one. Oh my goodness, that's so big. There's more down there.
Kan shalawa
lian lut tuk
lo dewa lian pui han po chhuan lo te hi a hlim om ve ya walom
Has big one, right? Oh, kapo ka lian lut tuk bit te. Oi lian lom lut tuk. Show me the bucket. Not to see.
Alu chen khathi alo in phom chiang kwang lawa ni na lo ema chung chu an lo alo chen hin hen lo tringa chu wang chuan na po yang ren khop maya ka lo fin khop tok lo deu ni lian pui han khop chwa chu Runetea po a excite ve khop mai
Alian lut tuk. Oh.
But there are a few.
Runetea pon lak mai
Yeah.
an nei ka ring at ni chu.
We'll use the machine. Oh, let me see. Shake it, shake up.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah, okay. There's one down there, but there. Oh.
Emil and Lutuk.
Alian lutuk tiro bit there. Oh, alian lutuk. Okay. How many pounds do you think it is?
20, 30.
20, 30?
Emmy at the Lutuk.
Tam lutuk tiro bit there. Alian boxy. Show me the big ones bit there. Yeah. Thank you for helping Emmy, okay? Bit there, kalom lutuk oh, min tran puya.
Kepo, kanome.
Kepo kalom lutuk. It's so hot. Okay, put back in, then we'll be all done. Oi.
Thanks for watching Emmy's channel. Kanlome.
Ole ina kan alu thar zong kha pound som ni panga vel ania kan lom ve le ni khati zong kha tu na tan chuan lo ni le ri phot se kan lom em thank you so much and God bless.